lines back and forth.
So this is going to be a good week. It looks like we have mostly sunshine, and that promotes getting this darn thing done. I'm sure anybody watching is like, when is he going to get done with this thing? Well, sun helps. Not being sick or working too much at work, you know, so we're getting done with this hopefully this week. Gonna get the plastic on it. Hopefully I'm gonna get another rack, build another two, but for the most part, getting those end walls in, and once that's done and these wiggle wire tracks are put in, we're done. Plastic goes on, we have a greenhouse. That's it.
Between 3 and 4. There you go. It's not that fast. Go, go, go. So here she is plugging the lawn. And shortly thereafter the dogs are coming off because I want to spread fertilizer, weed and feed. I'm going to need a couple bags, but as you can see, or maybe you can't, see the plugs in the lawn. Let me show you a plug. She's digging plugs out of the lawn. I'm tired of having a crappy crap lawn, so I used some construction fencing I got off of Craigslist for free, right there. And that's where the doggies are going to stay for the time being for the next 2 weeks, because I don't want them on fertilized grass. I'm also going to plant seed in the areas that are... It's not going to be a perfect lawn. It needs eventually irrigation. We're doing the best we can for the time being. And let her go. All right. Watch out. Watch out. Woo, watch her go now. She's a speed demon.
Not bad for free lining. Alrighty then. You know, it's nice to have an auger, but every once in a while you just have to get physical. Use the post hole digger to get the job done. This is too crunched and therefore this won't fit over the end. So what I need to do is open the damn thing up a little bit. Marvelous. From my understanding, when you look online or a lot of these greenhouse construction suggestions, everybody does their end walls a different way. I'm doing it my way. I don't really understand how somebody else does it their way. So this pole that I've done right here is level with the top hoop. This board that I'm putting in is going to be level with the bottom. Obviously you don't want anything sticking out, puncturing the plastic. Between this piece here and the top pole, I'm going to put in a tapered piece so that it's nice and flat and the plastic doesn't get ripped. After I got done installing this wood for the door jamb and using that storm door that my neighbors threw out, I also installed the end wall on the other side for the vent fan. So it all turned out pretty good, and then I cemented all 4 poles into the ground. So we finally got this greenhouse all ready to go and put the plastic over it, but there's the missus, and got the door in, and I went around and made sure that everywhere that wiggle wire track, this is wiggle wire track right here, and it goes inside that track to hold the plastic in place. She's going to demonstrate that our new door, this is our first time walking through the door. Not really. We made our own screen for this door because they didn't have it at Home Depot, Lowe's, so we made our own. And we'll take that out during the winter and put the glass in. It's all taped off. Any rough edge, they didn't say that in any online thing, but I did it myself because I don't want the screen, the vinyl material to touch anything. All around, put in the end wall. I have a vent fan with a thermostat coming in that, but Amazon has not delivered it yet for about a month now, or a month and 2 weeks. I don't know, COVID is getting kind of crazy. Anyways, here's the vinyl, and it's spread off across the whole backyard. The weird thing is, doesn't look that big. Oh my God, this is massive. You know, the weird thing is, if I set up a wedding tent, I can move it off to the side and still have plenty backyard to actually have a party. Yeah, I'm going to just measure the end walls, cut that off, and the rest is for putting over the top of the greenhouse. Is today going to be the day? Don't know, but see what I can do. Blip.
Thank you.